Hey, this is Michael with Church Brand Guide. I'm coming at you in really unprecedented times. Churches haven't been meeting for weeks now. It's been a really long time where we've just been having church online. People are watching services on their couches on the weekends, and that's how church has been. There's basically a new normal. People are into new habits. But I believe that the church is in prime position for a great harvest. In fact, I've been part of several roundtables with high level church leaders that are all excited because there's a great opportunity coming out of this quarantine period where we can see a huge flow of people coming into our doors if we're ready. So there's going to be some churches that are not prepared. And sadly, those churches are probably going to go away because they're going to come back and do church like they've always done church. But people right now, they're in a new habit. In fact, this is a great opportunity if they've been thinking about trying to go to a different church where they can do that. They haven't been tied in for several weeks, so the opportunity is there. And the churches that are ready will be able to get in front of people and cut through the noise to help them understand what they could do to help them in their life. And those churches are the ones that are going to be able to grow and get momentum coming out of this because people need it. They need what we have. We just have to make sure that we are ready to receive them as they come out of this. So I do this and I help churches do this all the time through branding. And I have a special package that'll help you go through my branding process, my exclusive branding process in 30 days. I want to help as many churches as possible. In fact, I have a workshop that's going to be able to help three churches at one time go through this process. It starts in May 5th and 6th, and you need to sign up if you want to be a part of this. In the workshop, I'm going to help you determine your brand strategy. From that, design your logo, your new website, and a bonus, I'm going to throw in some signage. Out of it, you'll have a brand strategy and marketing strategy moving forward to help you just stay on track and reach more people with everything that we've created. So again, my team is going to design and develop all of it at the end of 30 days. You're going to have all these creative items in place. Your brand's going to be in place so that you can be ready to receive the people that are coming. Now, when I do this as an agency, I typically at churches will hire me. I'll fly out to the location. We'll do a workshop. We'll take some photography, video, and some other things. But that package usually costs about $15,000 to do. But because of this workshop and being able to do it online, I can walk you through the process for only $49.97. And again, you get all the things that I would typically do to establish a new church brand, such as the logo, the brand guide with all the brand specifics, the website that's just done right. It's and also your signage. We're throwing in the signage as a bonus to help you create an environment that is welcoming to new guests once we have that strategy in place. So this is a great opportunity for you. I feel like this is an opportunity for, instead of hitting pause and just waiting to see what's going to happen, where you can hit play and just be ready for the harvest that's out there. Show your team that you're ready. Show your community that you're prepared as people are coming back and looking for what you have. They need what you have to offer. So I hope to see you soon in my online workshop, and let's get your brand in place so you are ready to receive people.